Over the past 5 years of working After Effects, I've tried dozens of different plugins, but among them I found only several truly awesome ones. So today I'll share a secret about which plugins deserve your attention in 2026, and believe me, once you try them, you will think, how could I work in After Effects all this time without these plugins? I guarantee they will speed up your work a lot and boost the visuals of your scenes to another level. In this video, I'll not only tell you about the top plugins of 2026, but also demonstrate their key features and capabilities. We'll start with plugins that improve visuals, and then we'll move on to those that significantly speed up your work in After Effects and make it much easier. And the first plugin we'll start with today is called Squash and Stretch, which lets you create such bouncy and squashy animations with just one click, and best of all, this plugin has a free version. And now I'll show you how this plugin works. I created this simple composition to demonstrate the plugin's capabilities. We have a line that serves as a floor, and this square, which is supposed to fall onto the floor, bounce and slightly change its shape when it touches the floor. I open the plugin and this menu appears. Let's click on Choose Behavior to open the animation library and choose the one that works for us. I think this drop-in bounces is what we really need. Position the layer where you want the animation to finish, in our case it's on this floor. And also move the time indicator to where it should finish. Finally, click on this work area button and it will automatically trim it and show the duration of animations. Click Apply. Awesome! And you can press U on this layer to see all the keys. And if we enable Deep Glow and Motion Blur, it will look super stylish. And of course you can also apply these animations to text layers, and I think it looks super cool. The next plugin in our list is Rubberize It, and it can also squash and stretch different layers, but in its own unique way. Let me show you how it works. So we have this teddy bear with retro BG, and now this scale plus rotation animation looks super boring, but with a Rubberize It, we can make it more interesting. First thing we need to do is to select puppet pin icon and click at his legs, body and head, because Rubberize will react exactly to these pins. Open plugin, select layer, choose material you want, but rubber is the best option I think. Select our layer again and click on Rubberize. As you see now animation looks much more interesting. And that's because Rubberize reacts to puppet pins we created and also to rotation animation. So the less duration between these keys, the more strong rubber animation will be. And if you select custom materials, you can adjust these values as you want and create your own animation preset. Next in our list is Autofill 2. With this plugin, you can reveal any layer you want in such a stylish way. And you can do this in literally a couple of clicks. So here we have a line logo and we definitely want to nicely reveal it. Apply autofill on this layer. Let's set up the points from where the fill will start. Here select 2 points and place one at the top of his head and other at the bottom. Increase speed of fill to 150 to make it faster. Here at Style Builder we can apply different presets. If we open the preset viewer, it will take us to the page showing all the presets. Let's select Glow. And now we have this awesome reveal. As you can see, the fill takes into account all the edges of the layer and our lion's fur. The possibilities of this plugin are endless, since you can also use it to animate text or simply to highlight any image. The next one is loopFlow, and it can literally bring any image to life. And best of all, it's very easy to do. So here we have a waterfall image and we want to make it alive, especially the waterfall. The first thing we need to do is select image, select pen tool and create two masks lines, one from left side of waterfall, another from the right side. So these masks will act as a borders beyond which the animation shouldn't extend. Apply loopFlow. Here select our mask 1 and here mask 2. It looks fantastic and we can adjust this mask if we need to correct an animation. Also here we can change its speed. Let's slow down our animation. So increase animation cycle timer to 4 and decrease animation move on to 15. And if we'll create scale zoom in keys, it will look even better. And this HyperGlitch plugin will make the process of glitch animations creation incredibly easy. All you need to do is to apply it on any layer you want. It can be image, shape or text layer. And we already have nice glitch animation. But let's change some settings. Here we can lower the amount and intensity. Also let's change scale. Now it looks better. And here at the end we can create an animation of all these values. Let's move the timeline a little bit and increase them. Cut this layer at the end. This fade out animation is so awesome. The next in our list is Loopran, and this powerful script helps us to create looped, ultra-realistic animations that are moving by the laws of physics. So after we open this script, this menu will appear. Let's create some shapes by clicking on them, and also I want to create a text. And for the looped animation, all you need to do is to select all the layers and then select the animation you want here. Let's click on this one. As you see, now we have a ground simulation, and if we rotate it, all the layers also will change their direction. So we can create a shape line and place it exactly on the ground. Parent shape to ground and turn off ground visibility. And of course you can animate not only shapes, but also any images. And I've just shown you the one of the animation options. As you can see, there are plenty of them here. And with this free light wrap plugin, you can apply background colors to the outlines of characters or any other objects. For example, we have this scene with clouds and an airplane. The clouds are on separate background layer and the airplane is also on separate layer. But as you can see, the plane stands out too much against the cloudy sky. Its edges are too bright and contrast. Let's fix that. After applying light wrap on our airplane, here at background layer just select our clouds. And you see this awesome result already. It's a huge difference with and without this effect. We can lower wrap width to 40, so the outline will be only on the edge of our airplane. And if we apply Lumetri color and change its temperature and saturation, this airplane will fit to our scene even better. Shadow Studio 3 is one of my favorite plugins, which lets you create an ultra-realistic shadows that respond to lighting. So here we have this composition and our text definitely needs some shadows. Apply Shadow Studio 3 and we already see awesome result. You can change light type from directional to point and rotate it so this creates the impressions of a lamp around which the text rotates. Also you can increase shadow length and maybe we need to lower light softness a little bit. And what I really like is that here we can also increase its opacity. So you can play with different values here and find what fits the best for your text. But as you can see, even with default settings, it looks much better than standard After Effects drop shadow. And this free UnMult plugin is a real find, especially when you need to work a lot with various video assets and overlays. You can use it to remove the black background, while the video itself will retain its original color and won't become half transparent. So here we have this image, and if we drag lens flare overlay, as we see it has black BG. We can change its blending mode to screen, but in this case our overlay becomes a little transparent. It loses its original colors. But if we apply UnMult, as you see, it removed black PG and saves lens flare original color. It's not looking half transparent anymore. By the way, this plugin became a standard in 2026 After Effects version. But if you have After Effects 2025 or less, you can get this plugin for free. The next in our list is this 3D Extruder script, which is available in free and paid versions. With this tool, you can create any 3D shape or text with just one click and add depth to it. So here we have a simple shape layer, and let's open 3D Extruder script. We can increase our future 3D depth by increasing this value. Let's click on Extrude. Our shape layer is 3D now, and also a new null object was created. And by changing Y rotation, we can see our 3D depth. And of course, we can do the same with the text. Now it becomes 3D in just one click. And finally, it's time for some plugins and scripts that will save you hundreds of hours of work in After Effects. TextEvo 2 is an absolute must-have tool because with its help, you can significantly simplify the process of animating text. So here we have a text, and let's open TextEvo 2 tool. We need to select text and click on this plus icon. As you see, a strength keyframe appeared. They will be responsible for the subsequent animations. Open transform and let's decrease scale to 0, for example. Now you see the result. We do this in just one click. And if we want all letters to scale at the same time, simply decrease delay to 0 here. Direction parameter allows you to choose where the animation will start. Of course, you can also change text position here, and now we have this nice animation. Let's also decrease the opacity. There are tons of different options, so you can animate your text as you want. I think you understand the principle. And with this tool called EaseCopy, you'll be able to copy values from one key and quickly paste them into another with just 2 clicks. Let me show you how it works. So here we have this simple scale plus Z position animation, but it looks really poor. We need to make it more interesting. So let's select scale keys, press F9 and create a speed graph with a peak in the center. Now it looks better, but we need to create the same speed graph for the Z position keys. And with the EaseCopy tool, we don't need to create a second speed graph manually. Simply select scale keys and click on copy. Select Z position keys and click on ease. That's it. Hundreds of hours of work in After Effects is saved. The next in our list is iExpressions 3 tool, which contains dozens of the most common expressions in After Effects, which you can apply in just one click. If you open this tool, you will see how many expressions are there. You can make your text and colors react to audio track beat. You can set the camera so it will automatically focus on point of interest. There are many text expressions and of course our favorite wiggles. And more than that, you can add here your own expressions. For example, bounce expression, which is very popular right now. You know that animating numbers in After Effects is not the easiest task, but with the help of a free preset Numbers Plus, this process becomes more enjoyable. Here we have a number and let's create a counter animation from 0 to 5000. After applying Numbers Plus preset on this layer, it will automatically change it to 0. If you don't need any dots, we can change precision to 0. Start value 0, end value $5,000. The animation automatically created. As a prefix, we can add USD. And here in Auto Animation tab, we can adjust animation timing. And this preset also can help you with creating timer animations. Last but not least is a free Effects Console plugin. With this tool, you'll no longer have to waste time searching for the effect you need in the standard After Effects menu. Just press Ctrl plus space on your keyboard and type in the effect you want. Click on it, and it will be applied to the layer. You have no idea how much time you'll save with this plugin. You can also use it to take screenshots of your compositions and export them to your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. My new tutorial is coming soon.